Y'all better get ready to roll, man. So we moving real fast. It's gonna be violent. So y'all put the kids to bed.
And this stadium is ballistic.
Lights, cameras, action, baby.
Now we've got some uninvited guests to our port. Let's go to the next level. Ain't nothing else to talk about. This ain't over yet. This is all that matters. Let's go. Huddle up. You better watch yourself. Touchdown. What are y'all doing? Go.
Today on the Best of Soundfx, the best sounds from the 2010 NFL season.
We made it work. That's all that matters. Here comes CJ up the middle. He's got the 30. There he goes. Boom. Yeah. I will holler at you tomorrow. That's the way to get on him. Yeah. I told you.
And that's a crazy game.
Don't it just feel great? Don't it just feel great?
Holy cow! That's unbelievable!
All right, Lou, good to see you, man. Good to see you, Lou.
Are you a coach?
Oh, kinda. How you doing, buddy?
The list is long. We got a lot of things to get better at. Let's start checking them off.
And you keep catching the ball like that, you may get Coach Bates to learn your name. It's pretty good.
Is it Peter? That's Peter.
Way to go, Doublet.
There's only a Sam, Mike, and a Will then. Is it Peter or Pitta? It's Pitta, isn't it?
What's Nebby's first name? I forgot.
We make Ted the Rooster. Pitta. It's Pitta, not Peter. Mark, can we put the music on?
How many pounds did you lose yesterday?
What's that?
How many pounds did you lose yesterday?
Weigh myself. I did some abs, though.
Oh, I can tell. Look at that. Jeez.
You like that? You don't want to hit those abs, baby.
Those are the
I gotta work
obliques. Those are the obliques.
You cut off that ugly beard, you'd play a whole lot better.
Come on, get out there. Come on. Let me see the dummy. Go. You see the dummy? Let me show you again.
Here you go,
Go. Okay. Can you do that? That's what I'm talking about. Come on, son. Let's go. Let's go. Help each other get better. Help each other get better.
Now let's go do something. Let's go do something. Let's shock the world right here.
Go, Timmy, go! Stay involved! Stay involved! To the whistle, then you can shut it down.
Just way to come back, Matty.
Hey, bring it up!
Here we go, guys, here we go!
All right, we earned that money today, fellas. All right, good job, man.
I appreciate the way you're working. Guys, I like the way you're competing. We can work with that. We can get better with that. Let's keep challenging each other.
Let's have a pride. 1, 2, 3, pride!
The sky's so bright you have to squint. It's a beautiful day for football. Where would you rather be than right here, right now?
It's so beautiful. We get to hit people, and we get paid. This ain't serious?
Better than 70,000 in the house. Bright lights, big stage, national TV.
All business now. Let's go. All business. Let's go.
Let the guys begin.
A low kick, bouncing. Tate will pick it up at the 4.
With the football is Michael Spurlock.
That's coming back.
He's at the 30. McCluster can go.
Turns up here. He's going to go.
20, 25, 30, 45.
Touchdown! Bryant with the punter to beat.
Touchdown!
Raiders! Touchdown as he tumbles in.
yo, make sure y'all show that on TV, too. I said happy birthday to my mother.
You still got 10.5 minutes and a half. Boom. Come on, go make a bunch of plays.
Yes, sir. All three of us had our hands on it. We just got to finish with the sack. We got to finish with the sack, okay? That's all. Well, this should be a huge stop right here. Under pressure, he'll be sacked, fumbles the football, loose, the Jets have it.
Miller down to the 35 and drops the ball. Guess who? Darren Sharper.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Intercepted by Deion Grant. He jumped right over to the tight end.
It got batted, it got kicked, it got tipped, it stayed airborne. Merry Christmas.
That's it. That's it.
Go score. Let's go. Go score. Now we're having fun, see? See what happens when you have fun?
Don't worry about it. Keep pushing. Hey, keep pushing. Hey, keep fighting. We're going to step it up. We're going to step it up.
Let's just make a play. Let's just make a play.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, O. Touchdowns, baby. Touchdowns.
Coming up, what do Clay Matthews and Sampson have in common?
Hey, man, I got to make it look greasy. Like, because I did. Can't see.
Come on, Tim. Got to get my buddy over there. So he can get me a hamburger. Tim O'Neill, he's the head equipment guy for them. Right on the straight down. Got his arms crossed.
45?
Yeah. My buddy over here, see if I can get a hamburger from him. I had one a couple weeks ago. Awesome.
And then draw a line down. That's good.
Like across?
Yeah, down, like down.
Straight
on
down.
the outside of
Like here?
Yeah. No. Just do it across. I do it across. Yeah, now draw it at the edge of that, and then come down. No, not all the way out to a cheekbone. Yeah, and then bring it down.
Bring it down on the edge.
Yeah, at the edge.
There's a guy over there.
There you go. There you go.
Warrior.
Let's go to work, baby. Y'all better get that crowd up today. Game time. Physical. Y'all better get that crowd up today. Game time.
That's too good. You feel this right here? I'm hungry today. Game time. Do what we do.
Early and often, baby.
We ain't playing today.
Game time. It's the older but the good.
I'm hungry today. That's too good.
I don't got no appropriate song to sing in Baltimore, man. We can go out and do our job today, man.
should have dropped it harder. Those niggas should have stayed lower and dropped it harder on us. Would have felt better.
Trust your technique. Trust the man next to you. Tackle like mothers. They throw and catch, bam, they're on the ground. You got me? The ball breaks on the perimeter, bam, they're on the ground. That's your heart, that's your will. That's all tackling is. And above all, compete.
Hey. Get the feel for the kick. Get a feel for the kick. You never see him clean his clock.
Hey, I'm gonna hit somebody on purpose.
Get him. Show him what they're in for the rest of the day. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. 3 and out.
Smash this dude.
Let's go, D1 time, baby. Come on, hey, play it. Woo!
Don't let him get nothing.
Ouch. Oh, God hit me. I'm getting chipped, boom, like this, and then, boom. So it's like chip, face. I don't know what to do.
Blue 30.
52's the mic.
He's been getting his hind handed to him all game long. Boy, he's going to be black and blue tomorrow morning.
And he was blessed. He is whooped. Wow, did he take a hit?
If I were a defensive player, I would go to the offensive players and say, give me your game check.
I told him, you can't run the ball on us. I love this. Yeah! Your Green Bay.
Put it on, baby. Release the hounds.
Okay, Clay, you got some words of wisdom for us?
Hey, man, it's prime time television right here. Let's do what we do. Outside linebackers, we run this defense. Stop the run, get after the quarterback. Heroes, baby. Hey, watch the draw, watch the draw, watch the draw. Unbalance, unbalance.
Clay Matthews on a running blitz right up the middle. Blew the play up.
Blew him up. I needed one of those, man. I haven't had a blow-up hit all year. Bro, you got something vicious on the middle of your forehead.
Is it pimples up?
Yeah.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, bro. Can't have you out there on national television looking like a fool. I mean, that 1080p HD, 240 hertz. They're gonna see it, yeah. I mean, your girlfriend's gonna love you for who you are. You have worse blemishes on your face. It's not that bad.
Getting the back to throw. Protected initially, now breaks down. He's sacked. And it's Clay Matthews, the NFL leader in sacks, now with 10.5. Oh, can I get some?
Yeah, you get All right, time to get the hair going again. Yeah, that's a little cold. Should be a singer. Hey, man, I gotta make it look greasy. Like, because I did. Can't see. I'll show you full court.
Get some more.
I need one, bro.
Interception for a touchdown.
You know I got no hands.
Here's the snap to Kidna, quick throw, and it's intercepted. It's taken away from the backfield. Clay Matthews to the 30, to the 25-20. He's going to the house. Clay Matthews, touchdown, 62 yards. First career interception, second career touchdown for Clay Matthews.
You see my Lambo leave, how bad it was, too? I was too tired, bro. Oh. Whew.
This is Goodson cutting free. First down and a fumble. Ball is loose and Mike Peterson falls on it.
Come on! Run!
He fumbles the snap. It's loose back inside the 35 of the 45-yard line.
What is he doing?
What are we doing?
Fires it back left corner of the end zone, floating, and Santonio Holmes dropped it.
What are y'all doing?
He's going to throw one downfield. It's picked off again. This time it's Eric Weddle. That is what kills us.
What's the problem in there? What was that? Unbelievable.
Boy, if you lose the game because you fumbled the ball at their 11-yard line when you're going in to put it away, that defines heartbreak.
Roy Williams is the sickest man in America right now.
We'll just try and keep our composure out there.
We can change the game that quick. That's on us. Right now, we're our #1 enemy, okay? Minnesota Vikings got to overcome the Minnesota Vikings.
Hill back, got to get rid of it. Throws once Calvin in the end zone. Goes up, got it, and the Lions take the lead. What is going on here? They're saying incomplete.
Lions just got hosed, ladies and gentlemen.
Throws, it is picked.
Unbelievable.
And this one hurts.
Play action fake. Fitz sets up, fires deep, looking for Stevie Johnson inside the 10. Catch. Oh, no, he dropped it in the end zone. Incomplete. He had the game-winning pass in his hands in the end zone. Incomplete. Unbelievable.
Stepped over the head of the Hunter Smith. And the PAT fails. What a heartbreaker.
Man, oh man.
That right there will make you sick to your stomach.
Let's go. Let's go. Hey, here we go. Let's go.
Let's go, man. Let's go, man.
Let's go.
Maybe there's the spark that they needed.
I think Jimmy's hands hurt after the games. He claps so damn much. Look at him. It's a damn clap machine.
All right, keep playing. Keep playing. Keep playing. Come on, D. Keep playing.
Hey, baby. Let's keep playing. Let's keep playing.
Don't let one bad play turn into a bad drive.
Stay patient. Stay patient. We're going to make a play. Stay patient. Stay patient. We're going to make something happen.
I'll get those skill guys going. I'll get those skill guys going. You control the tempo. We control the tempo. That's where we're better. That's where we can win. That's where we can run it.
Hey, are you going to be a nosedive, shoelace tackle, or are you going to front people up and tackle them?
Front people up and tackle.
All right, play football. Let's go.
Now let's go, all right?
Yes, sir.
You're a good young pro.
Yes, sir.
You got to respond.
Yes, sir.
That's what this is all about.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
Now, it's easy to say yes, sir. I want to see you do it. You're too good of a player to let that happen.
Yeah.
Okay? Come on, Greg. Let's go now. Get me one.
This cause is bigger than you, isn't it? Isn't it?
Yeah.
We're in a 2-minute drill. That clock's running. The play clock's running. Look at me. The play clock's running. You understand what I'm talking about? It's the team. All right? Let's go.
And since I love you so much, one other thing. I get to coach everybody. That's how it works.
I know.
Let's go. Kids kid after these guys.
Let's go 3-0, and let's come sit down and drink some Gatorade. Let's go now.
He's got Crims open over the middle of the field. He got it. 25, 20, 15, 10, 5, touchdown.
Yeah! But I had to throw it at you because
I like it. I love it.
I wanted to lead you, though.
No, but we'll take it.
Oh, my. I think you got it in there. And hit it right here.
Yeah, I was pretty proud of that throw. I'm not going to lie.
I'll tell you, I'll give up 2 minutes and 35 seconds of my life if we could just get this onside kick.
Chris Brown, little onside kick coming at the 40. Goodman's got it. We got the football. Go Mojo! Go Mojo! Go Mojo! Go Mojo! He won't be caught this time. Gone,
right, baby.
Hey, what a throw. What a throw, man. I'm talking about throwing a shot. Nice shot.
Hold on, there's a flag, dude.
Good to see you. How are you?
Coming up, what is the key to communicating with an NFL official?
I'm going to cuss you out when this play's over. Okay. It's going to be in the nicest possible way, though. Yeah.
What we got? Anything?
Rob, what do you think of your brother Rex?
I think Rex is a great coach. I think he's a great person. You know, there's no question about that. Just and he's very handsome.
Rob, what happened to your gray hair? How come it's blonde now?
Well, you know, I'm trying to get a head coaching job, so I'm dyeing it a little bit. You know, looking young and all that kind of stuff. All right, we good with this? Let me change back into my jet outfit.
Jumping jacks, whatever you need. I didn't want to really go overboard in case some tapes.
It's about as bad a start as you could actually imagine.
Oh, come on! What the heck is that?
Come on, man.
God! I love the ground. The ground is my friend. I think I'm going to find it right now. My bad, toe.
Don't do that!
What a bizarre game.
Snap it over his head. Snap it over his head.
And it's hiked over Smith's head all the way to the end zone. Alex Smith knocks it through the end zone.
You gotta be kidding me. That was bad.
Crosby to kick it off. Right to left. A low kick, bouncing. Picked up on one of the up men at the 30, 35-yard line. And that Dan Connolly at the 40, 45, 50. Connolly lugging 313 pounds down the field.
A colossal special teams catastrophe.
You gotta be kidding me!
Woo! Fantastic individual effort.
He's good. Hey, that boy's good.
He's something special, man.
Hey, you kind of strong, man. What you do? You take supplements and stuff?
I lift weights, man.
Huh?
That's what I do for a living.
Weights? I just eat boiled goat. I'm on an African diet, you know what I mean?
Just let me play my game. Why do you guys try to change me? You know, it's like my wife.
To me, you're trying to be too good there. Just be okay. Average is good enough in that situation.
Oh, wow, that guy's hyper. That guy's hyper, huh? What'd he do? What'd he do? Did he tackle for loss?
He made a tackle, no.
Sack?
No, tackle for a gain.
Oh, I thought he sacked him or something the way he was celebrating. Maybe you got to pick. Is it what? He must have caused a fumble.
No,
let's see. Sack, fumble, right here. What'd he do?
Just a play. That's a big play for him, though.
That was a nice play. I could tell by the way he celebrated.
A little razzle-dazzle, if you will.
Stop dancing!
What a performance.
No dancing, Brent. No dancing now.
What a piece of improvisation.
I gotta love it.
Chris could get a head bob. No, that's too much.
Who that? Who that?
Thank you very much.
That was a terrible throw.
He chucks it over the middle. Goodman's first NFL catch at the 42-yard line. Then he puts the ball down, and it's being taken back by James Sanders.
What's he doing?
What do they do? There's nothing that they do that you sit there and look at and go, boy, they are really good at this.
Oh, my goodness, what a catch.
Oh, what a big play. Some big plays out there. Some big plays out there.
He caught it with the greatest catch I've seen this year.
Looking to the end zone. Tipped and caught. What a spectacular catch.
What a catch. Holy smokes.
He's crazy. He's a crazy son of a gun.
Isn't this a crazy game?
You gotta love it.
I do love it.
Good to see you.
How are you? Good to see you again.
Hey, we've never met, Coach. I'm Laird Hayes.
I'm Rex.
I know exactly who you are. It's a pleasure.
Hey.
I'm probably older than you. Close? How old are you?
61.
Me?
No, I'm 61.
You're not 61. You look great.
Thank you. I feel great. You look good.
What happened to me?
Don't mind me looking over your shoulder, dude.
I'm gonna cuss you out when this play's over. Okay. It's gonna be in the nicest possible way, though.
Okay. When it's that.
Well, they had the ball off. Garrett Blunt runs to his right. He bounces on the tackle. He's to the 25. He's at the 30 sideline. Skip on to the 35 to the 40. A flag thrown way back downfield.
Hey! Mike! You're killing us, dog!
Throw the flag, bro!
Hey, throw the flag!
Jeff, that's not a penalty?
What are you doing? You giving them the ball?
That's a bad call. That's a bad call. We asked our guys to finish until the whistle. It was just horrible. Where's this guy from?
You know we're the most least penalized team in the league? Did you know that?
I'm sorry, sir?
You know we're the most least penalized team in the league? And the youngest?
I didn't know that.
Oh, we don't hold. That's what I'm trying to say.
Is anybody paying attention? Did their guy not pick up the ball and throw it right at our guy?
I don't think so. I think he spiked the ball out of bounds. That's what he told me. He spiked the ball out of bounds. That's what he told me.
That's what he told you?
That's exactly what he told me. He spiked the ball out of bounds.
I tell my wife I take the garbage out.
Okay.
Sometimes I don't.
Face mask! Face mask! Face mask! Face mask! I got a face mask! Oh, you missed my face mask there, baby. Oh, you missed me. Oh, you're killing me. I got 15 tacked into this one. Oh, you are killing me. I'm gonna get in trouble for hitting the ref today. You know you clearly saw that face mask. You clearly saw that face mask. Have some water.
Up next, which player took the hardest hit of the 2010 NFL season?
Nice hit, man.
All right, we good?
Yes, sir.
It's gonna work today?
It better.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me now?
I can't hear. Hey, I don't have him. I can't hear it.
This is what I don't want. We got to get the communication right.
Matt!
Mo, did you see it? Is Mo on here? Can Mo answer me, please?
Matt?
No. 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 No.
No. Is this thing on?
I hear you now.
Got you. Oh, well, I know. Got me, Jerry? All right. As usual, I was pushing the wrong button. What's the call?
Tiger.
What? Lion!
Raven! Now we're getting bisons and wolves.
Eagle!
That's the way I've always been. I try to keep it as simple as possible.
See, I just want to get under and go Springer Splasher.
You still got your Walton Windy, and you still got your Sam and Sully.
They got all these line calls, and I couldn't tell you what they all mean.
13Z, Devery Henderson, Chris Ivory, green right nasty, Z peel fake slash 37, Buster Bluff, naked right X post wide bite. That'll be the first call.
Have you ever heard about Marino? And I was like, no. He's like, they asked Marino, like, what were you looking at? What were you reading and stuff? He goes, I was just back in the gun, just throwing it to whoever was open. It's awesome.
We had no idea.
Still don't know what play that was.
What did you call?
You made it work. That's all that matters.
You can't play every call the same. Down the distance predicates a lot.
Y short to I right. Act 5. Check. Shake 94. H drag. On one, right? Yeah. Tough call.
Galen, north-south, high and tight. If it's there, it's there. If it's not, it's not. Oh, we're going kickoff cover, aren't we? Let's go make a play.
Double head, Bob.
No, when they're saying double.
You need a double head, Bob. Double head, Bob.
Yeah. You see what I'm saying?
Got it, coach. We go, Mike's 55, Mike's 55.
Goalie, 51's a Mike. Hey, 91's down. Payne 59, Payne 59.
Screen! Hey, watch the screen! Screen!
Right 30 seconds.
We're playing good right now, Bob. We're playing fast.
3, 2, 1. It's a touchdown.
Nice hit, man.
Look to your head.
He just missed it through his hands?
Who? 2-point? Never saw. I was watching him fly out of bounds.
Yeah, that hurt.
Huh?
That hurt pretty
You got
good.
good air.
Dude, why do things like this happen, man?
It's NFL, but
Like,
it's a different game.
What is this?
Blitz is on. He's one left. The pass is caught by Austin from Thomas.
Tony Romo's flat on his back. And he was blasted.
And he's down and hurt right now.
Okay. Hey, is it your collarbone?
Did we catch the pass?
Yes.
The first down.
Yes.
Look out.
Tony Romo was asking his way back in. Hang on, wait a minute, we're going to get you checked out here. We're going to blow the season because you want to get back in right now.
All right, so now we're scoring here.
Get our minds right. We're going to have to go score.
All right, let's go score a touchdown. Hey, you can run this ball on him now.
Young takes the snap. Delay handoff. Here comes CJ up the middle. He's got the 30, 40, midfield, 40, 30, 20, 10, 5, in zone. There he goes. There he goes. Boom. There you go. Here come the New York Jets, baby. Here we go. Takes the snap under some pressure, flush right, rolling to the 20-yard line, looks in the end zone, throws across his body, and it's knocked away by Eric Smith. Nice play, nice play.
Well, now they called a personal foul penalty against the Jets.
Oh my God!
Hey, they're going to run me out of town. We got 100 penalties. They got none. Come on, oh, come on.
And around Brad Smith. Brad Smith's going to go.
Touchdown! 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 Yes! Yes! Sanchez out of the shotgun takes the snap.
Getting man, let's go.
Drops back, looks right, throws one, end zone! Touchdown! Good play, baby! There we go, baby.
I turned around and looked right at I turned around and looked straight from Mark. I knew that ball was coming to me, dude.
I'm losing so much weight, I got to pick my drawers up. And now the Bengals will punt. I'm returning it. It bounces out of bounds. Oh,
Fielded by Rex Ryan. Nope, Rex dropped it.
Short kick. Smith at the 11.
Left sideline finds a cutback lane to the 30. Got a lane. There he goes to the 40. Got a touchdown. Brett Smith, right sideline 30. He's in the 20, 10, 5, touchdown. Hey, I think you deserve a turkey leg.
The whole thing.
You're right, babe. Now we can enjoy a Thanksgiving. My wife's not cooking. All I ask for is green bean casserole about twice a year. Can't even get it. I mean, we're 9-2.
Here we go for the win.
Hey, that's that Scobie Bryant right there, baby. Clutch. Scobie Bryant. Oh, you gonna make it. I'm running to the locker room. I will holler at you tomorrow.
59 yards away. This would be a franchise best.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Snap and placement, the kick up on the way. Scobie's got plenty of distance.
Money.
And he got it from 59 yards away for the win.
Yeah,
Come
baby.
on!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah!
Now listen, you got control of the game. Let's go out and finish this thing now.
Good protection. Now finish. Finish. Finish.
One more, come on, we need one more big play.
Matt dodged the punt, gets a high snap, gets it away. It's a knuckler. Jackson takes it at the 35, fumbles it, Picks it up. Looks for running room. He's at the 40. He's at the 45. Midfield. He's at the 40. He's going to go. Deshaun Jackson. I don't care if he jumps, dives. He's running around. The Eagles win.
This is Miracle in the Meadowlands #2.
And the Giants fans can't believe it. And the Eagles have just pulled off the most remarkable win I have ever seen.
What is that?
Here's the snap. Here comes pressure. Freeman rolling right. Rolls it toward the end zone. Caught! Touchdown! Tampa Bay!
Brendan Hawley breaks it through. He's at the 40, 35, 30. And this game is over. That's how you finish a game. Tebow's going to run to the 5. Tebow's going to run to the goal line. And Denver's got a touchdown.
Denver scores. And the Broncos have come all the way back from 17-0 at the half.
Just some time. Shuffles his feet, turns and launches this one in the direction of Mike Sims-Walker, and this one's going to be batted and caught. Touchdown! Oh my gosh! How did that happen? Holy cow! That's unbelievable! Oh! Hail Mary!
I've never seen a finish like that.
Nor have I.
Get out of here! Never a doubt. Never a doubt. Maybe a little.
Hey, just for a second. Just for a second. Don't it feel great? Don't it just feel great? Don't it just feel great? God dang, that feels so good.
This one's for the non-believers in this football team. And there was many. Well, guess what? Here we go. This is the first of many wins this year, right?
It don't matter how it looks, okay? It really don't matter how it looks at the end of this, okay? All they count is what's in the left-hand column, okay? That's all they count, is what's in the left-hand column. And you just gave yourself another chance to play one more week, okay?
Hey, from the bottom of my heart and everybody's, we have a 10-6 season. A 10-win season in the NFL, okay? And they can kiss my ass, okay? They can line up and kiss my ass. It's not an easy thing to do. Can we quote you on that, Coach? Quote me on a lot more than that.
Still to come.
Playoffs? Don't talk about playoffs. You kidding me? Playoffs? 15. He could go. He is going to go. Touchdown, Seahawks.
Over 2, ready? Somebody stinks.
Ooh, who did that? That's you. Hey, Landry, you fought it. Landry, you stink, man. Boy, smell like a diaper. Ref, watch out, this boy smell like a diaper now. He stink, man.
Now, you saw how they were talking trash early. They were talking trash to you early. Now they ain't saying nothing.
You don't want no piece of this. I promise you don't want none of this.
Scared. We know you scared, Cadillac.
He's scared. That quarterback is scared.
The pass on first down. Here comes the blitz, and he is sacked.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby boy. Happy Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. You will be my turkey all day today.
Oh, no, we only the day team. He can't come in today.
Where you going, dummy?
Yeah, you tough, huh? You tough, huh?
Hey, 18, you suck. Go home. Go home. Go home.
The #1 pass game, tell them to box it up and take it home. Hey, look at the scoreboard. Y'all real quiet. Y'all real quiet. Way to go deep. You shut up. All right, okay. That's how we playing? That's how we gonna play? No, the extra pushing. All right. Yeah, you're telling me, bro.
Come on, baby. Come on, man. Watch yourself.
It's getting very testy down here. They're basically pushing and shoving and exchanges going on.
Yeah, Wembley, come on, baby. Let's fight.
And now Andre Johnson and Finnegan are going at it. Helmet comes off of Finnegan, and Andre Johnson's ejected. Andre Johnson lost his cool with Cortland Finnegan, and you know Cortland's just trying to get Andre Johnson upset.
It's the playoff football, big boy. Playoff football. Playoffs? Don't talk about playoffs. You kidding me? Playoffs?
Ain't no tomorrow, man. Together. That's how we gonna do this.
Communicate. Be on the same page, man. Today is our day. Today is our day.
1-2-3. 1-2-3.
Turning hand to Lynch, left side. Finds a little bit of a hole. Keeps his legs moving. He's across the 40. Midfield. 45. He's on the run, Lynch. 40. Pushes the man. 35. Look at him go. He's down to 20. 15. He's going to go. He is going to go. Touchdown, Seahawks.
Joker, touchdown. Joker. Gotta work harder. Gotta do more.
Play action for Brady. Drops back, screen right, and it is intercepted. Breaks a tackle all the way down to the 10-yard line.
Put it all behind us. Let's move forward. We're too good for this, all right? Let's go. Put it down. Let's move on. Everything's done. All right, 0-0. First drive. Let's see right here. Let's go. Let's go, Tony. All right, let's go.
He's got it. A sensational catch.
What a catch by Santonio Holmes.
That's disappointing.
And this time, he lofts it long pass down the field, trying to get under it.
He's got it inside the 10-yard line. Antonio Brown.
It's for Tomlinson. Runs right. Walks into the end zone. Touchdown, Jets.
Hell yeah!
Thickens back. Here comes the rush. He's hit.
So it is the Packers and Bears, and it's never meant more than this. The NFC Championship.
Welcome to Pittsburgh. The Jets and the Steelers. The winner goes to the Super Bowl.
What you're seeing is the Steelers are breaking the will of the Jets defense. He takes it into the end zone himself. Touchdown! Settle down.
Everything you got now. Everything you got.
Petey throws it over the middle.
Intercepted. B.J. Raji in the end zone for the touchdown.
Sanchez back, big rush. He's hit. The ball is loose. They're chasing it. They pick it up at the 19. That's William Gay scooting to the end zone. And that is a Pittsburgh Steelers touchdown. It's the stairway to 7 for the Pittsburgh Steelers.
It is Green Bay all the way to Super Bowl 45.
Let's get it. And check this. The president don't want to come watch us to the Super Bowl. Guess what? We'll go see him.